It's been a long day of packing up my home of 7 years. Time for a snack break from Joy's Biryani and Kabobs. Decided to take a little break from packing and grab some takeout. And one of the things I'm gonna absolutely miss about Charlotte is the melting pot of cultures that exists here. I can just run down the road to a biryani and kebab restaurant for biryani and kebabs. It's a huge portion, and I got my fork. He even gave me a plate in case I wanted to share, but I don't. As soon as you open up, all those Indian flavors just hit you in the face. That curry, some cardamom. Is that mint? Whatever it is, we about to dive in right now. Garnished with red onions, just like I like. This is chicken biryani. And there is a chicken kebab in there. That beautiful fluffy basmati rice. There's a little cinnamon in there. Oh my God. I'm gonna miss this. Oh no. It's just a chicken thigh that's been stewed down in all of those spices. Oh my God. Tender, spicy. Thank you. Joy's Biryani and Kabobs. Polk Street in Pineville, just outside the Queen City. That spice, that heat. That's fluffy, long grain basmati. Oh yeah. Whew, now that was just too much rice for me to eat in one setting. So the next day for lunch, I grilled up a little piece of salmon and I had my chicken biryani. I also made a little side dish, which I'm going to show you on Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen Live. A very simple red cabbage and red onions. You're going to love it. I'm going to show you how to add fancy sides to make your favorite takeout dish just come alive. Just like this. Let's make cooking sexy again. Join me for Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen Live at 7 Eastern, Thursday night. Sugar Pearls. Food that loves you back. Eat good, sugar.